Welcome back to my channel. Today we want to talk about how to add media files on your WordPress website. Alright, welcome back. Now, to add media files on your WordPress website, all you need to do is to go to the media section. You click on media, it will bring you to this section where you see what we've added already. But once you want to add anything and under the media section, you go to the up section where you see media library. So add new, click on add new. Now when you select right now, or before you select, you need to understand that the maximum upload of whatever size you want to upload is 1 gig. So if you want to upload audio, video, images, downloadable link, anything you want to add, you can just select and add it. But mind you, you should know that if you start uploading videos on your website, it will start making the website to be slow, and it's because it's heavy because of what you're putting on. So our advice, if instead for you to upload a video here, upload it on your YouTube channel, then get the link of the YouTube channel, come and also maybe upload it here on your website. It's best. Maybe I'll create a video also on how you can upload a YouTube link on your website. That I can do. But audio also as well, you can actually go to audio, maybe any MP3 website, upload the audio there, then get the link and come and paste there on this very particular website. Don't upload audio, don't upload video, my advice. Then anything you want to upload, just click select. Then you need to go and look for that thing that you want to upload, be it link, downloadable link, anything you want to do, you just click on it, then it could do what? Upload. And once you upload, if you want to actually see that very particular upload, click on it. It will show you the whole information that you need to know. You can also copy the link and you can do anything you want to do with it. So that is exactly how you can upload your media on your website.